Hi, I'm Pete from Bobcat, and we're talking R2 Series excavators. Using multiple attachments helps you expand your business, but disconnecting the clamp to run other attachments can slow you down. R2 Series excavators offer you a simple solution to run other attachments without disconnecting the clamp. You can divert the oil flow from clamp to attachment and back with just the turn of a diverter valve. No slowing down, no additional hassles. Just leave your clamp attached while switching other attachments. Finish that work sooner with R2 Series excavators. Visit bobcat.com for more details.